All right, guys, we've got a 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. Really nice car. Factory converter, X-pipe there. Took the mid resonators out. There's two that come on this. Took them out and put an X-pipe in its place. Then we also replaced the mid muffler with two pipe there. And then we also replaced the rear mufflers there and there and straight pipe. So it's straight pipe other than the X-pipe. And then he had some AMG tips that we kept on it. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. There's the two mufflers that were on it. There's the baby resonators that were on it. That's the mid muffler or mid resonator that was on it. So we took all that off and straight pipes. Breathe some new air into this car, make it sound crazy loud. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. So, guys, 2008 BMW 550i. So it's got caps right there, right there. And then we true dueled it all the way back. Put a fed X pipe on it. 2.5 all the way back to let it breathe on each side there and there. And then finished it off with some sexy Natami staggered tips right there and right there. Came out clean. Look at this beast. I know you guys are ready to hear it, so let me let you guys hear it. But let me show you what we took off. This BMW comes with 4 resonators, 2 right there, 1 right there, and 2 mufflers out the back. All on one side, but it comes with this plastic shroud that covers this side. We took it off, so that's the shroud right there. We took it off and ran true duels on it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, I think. Like that. I don't know why they do that in the first place. BMW, stop being cheap. Always make it dual. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. All right, guys. We got a 2004 S4 V8 6-speed. Look at this thing. Very rare car to find, guys. He drove all the way across state lines to go get it. So I'm going to show you guys what we did on it. We did a full custom job on it for him. So it's got the factory converters there and right there. And then there's 2 converters on top on the manifold somewhere. But there's the secondaries. And then what we did is we ran 2.5-inch all the way back. Straight pipe, true dual on this side and on this side. Look at that. Came out absolutely beautiful. There and there. And then we finished it off with some 4-inch carbon fiber blue tips. Just give it that, you know, exotic, sexy look. When I showed it to him, he's like, I can't resist. I got to have them. So that's what we did. There it is right there. Look at that. Clean. Boom. Boom. Right there. And this is what it had on it before. There's the 2-inch pipe, 2-inch resonator, dual in, dual out, and then the 2 mufflers out the back right there and right there. So we took all that crap off and just true dueled it, made it really nice, really clean for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. 2007 S550. Straight pipe with an X-pipe. Whatsoever. That's the fight, yeah? That sounds so clean. Sound decibels? 111. Again? That's it. One more. As long as it's got exhaust, we can do it. Wow, that's a beast. That's definitely a beast. That's how a BMW should sound. Nice idle to it. Give it gas. Wow. Again. Here's sound decibels. 109. Wow. 109. That's crazy. Again. Yeah. I like it. Clean idle, everything. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, it's a little bit windy out here. Our mic's covered, but hopefully you don't hear the wind too much. That sounds phenomenal. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our beautiful shop. Let you guys hear on the inside. Audi S4 V8 stick shift. Oh wow, that sounds good. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 117. 16. Wow. Yeah. 119. Yeah, 119. When you really get on, it's 119. Dude, that sounds so mean though. That sounds so good. I'm sorry for the rain, guys, but it is what it is. Wow, that sounds so good. I love it. Audi S4. S550 Mercedes Benz luxury. Beautiful car, fully straight piped, other than the converters of course, and we added an X-Pi. Beast mode out of a Mercedes. Look at that thing go. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. BMW 550. True dual. Fully straight piped. With the Tommy quad tips out the back. That sounds great. Woo! That sounds really good. I approve. Here we go. Look at that sound. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.